Fidelity ETF free tutorial. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel and drop a like. Open up a new tab on your browser or search engine device and type in fidelity.com. Now you have a couple different options right here. Once you're on the website, open up an account. If you don't have one and then logged in to your account, you're going to see that I'm going to show you how to invest into ETFs, make money online passively. Under the top right or in the bottom right hand screen over here, you can look up for mutual funds or ETFs. And now we're going to type in an ETF called QQQ. And in this case, you can see this is the fund. It's worth $475. And here's the ticker symbol that we just used here down below. And as you can see, there's a list of information, the top holding companies of this ETF of the 500. This will bring in a lot of returns. Now, if you go under here to distribution and expenses, you will actually even be able to see this valuable information. This is the best part because it shows the distribution types in the calendar or by quarter. So in this case, this is spaced out every quarter or every 3 months, 52 cents.